Turn it up.
I knew my rent was gonna be late about a week.
The Maine State Police are issuing a statewide Amber Alert at the request of the Saco Police Department. 8-year-old Alaya Patrock, white female, 4 feet tall, 75 pounds, brown hair, blue eyes, and 6-year-old Vincent Patrock, white male, 3 feet 11 inches tall, 50 pounds, brown hair, brown eyes, missing from 63 Ferry Road, Saco, Maine, taken by their mother Alexandra Vincent, 27-year-old white female, 5 feet 2 inches tall, 140 pounds, blonde hair, blue eyes, on October 3, in a silver, 2021 Toyota RAV4, Maine breast cancer plate LULOU. Phone ping at 3:20 p.m. shows they are in Newark, New Jersey. If you have any information, please contact Saco Police Department at 207-287-4535. That number is 207-287-4535. This has been an Amber Alert.